I didn't hear about Rosie the Riveter until about 3 weeks ago. And I thought, I've been looking for something to do and to get into and use up some of my time. And I went to one meeting and I enjoyed it very much. And then it amazed me at the young people that want to talk to us and learn about what we did and why we did it.
I'm holding the bucking bar up against a rivet that she's getting ready to shoot.
She's going to drive it.
I'm trying to push it up into a muscle.
You have to tie it up.
Her missiles is falling down.
That knife is 89 years old, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm proud of it.
Here you go. Hold the gun.
And these are the 9 patches, building up all the way to the outside. This is not just this part, it's the whole thing. And then this is
Like this in the corners. But sometimes I just make my own patterns. One time I cut me out of a 25-pound bag of flour, you know what size sack is. Cleaned it up and I cut me a pattern and made a big star. And I put it right in the center of my quilt.
Right now you can find it anywhere.
I like this in every corner.
Is it not popular? They went to even Joann's and found material jackets.
Would be special.
Well, all these ladies do like this.
All of you?
Without this.
where the
Garnet
reason
doesn't like it busy.
And this is blue, yellow, and with a white in the middle, which is this
Do we
color.
know which blue and
No,
which
not
yellow?
yet. We're
Okay.
still discussing this. The signatures, we could change it a little bit. So that's why I crossed them out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She wanted, they didn't want, we can do it 4 times or 5 times on the quilt.
Well, I
Yeah.
thought they marked out all 4 corner squares.
So
That's
they-
why I thought it said.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they were marking out the words.
Okay.
Rosie the Riveter, Rosie, working on assembly line. Rosie the Riveter, on the assembly line.
We decided on different things, and it kept developing and developing. And since Mary Lou was first a riveter, we used this little riveter here.
After I worked in the factory for 2 years, then I decided to join the service because they were asking for people to come in and join these places to take the place of the men who had gone to sea.
Thank you, Rosie, with your ribbon smile. Thank you, Rosie, with your ribbon smile. It's most elevated, not complicated. Thank you, Rosie, with your ribbon smile. Thank you, Rosie, with your ribbon smile. Thank you, Rosie, with your ribbon smile.
Yeah, but don't you think those Rosies need to know who's going to get up there and say a few words?
That gives them a few minutes, yeah. All right, that's good.
to get it
So
together.
we will announce who the Rosies are, then we'll show the film while you all get used to it.
And I'd like for you to invite someone from Logan County. I'd like for somebody from Logan County to get involved.
Approve it, and then they go after advertisers like the nearest funeral homes or. I did.
It seems to me like we're getting too many things pushed together here.
Okay, we have an event here, and we have an event in St. Albans, and that's all.
Yeah. But you've got to get from here to there.
Yeah.